Hi everyone, today we will be tinting taillights. All what we need is film, tack solution and slip solution. Let's do it. Let's apply slip solution on the light. On the film as well. Let's apply on the glue side. Then let's place the film on the light. Let's tack it on one side. I'll use my tack solution just to remove soap. I will apply tack solution on the other side. And now let's squeeze the water from under the film. Now I will use my tack solution just to wash soap from the edges. Let's see, I just lifting edges, flushing with the tack solution. Let's wipe the water and check if we haven't left any water spots under the film. And all what we need to do now, just trim it. Okay, now we will use heat gun just to remove all scratches because it's PPF and it's self-healing. And just like that, taillight is tinted. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful.